Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 2 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Right now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. If it is highlighted and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can take a look at this option bar here, and on the third position from the top we've got the resolution, so let's tap on it, and as you can see, three different options, so 720p, 1080p which is currently applied, and 4K frames per second are the same in all of those options. So simply tap on the option that you use. I'll choose 4K. It is immediately highlighted, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.